Hood is all back on. Looking pretty good. I might touch up this paint here and maybe get some new decals. So I did get the headlights working. Put a new light switch in. The gauges actually light up as well. There she is, all back together. Headlights, grill, hood. Looks pretty darn sharp. Now the grill isn't much. It's got a lot of damage down here and it doesn't really fit all that great. It looks like it might rattle around a lot. It's the only one I've got though, and I think it'll be fine for now. I'm gonna make a brush guard for this thing so that whenever I'm cutting down alders and trees out in the woods with a bush hog, I won't damage it too badly. And I think for right now, I'm going to get some hours on the tractor and try to use this thing. Get some seat time on it and see how I like it. I might not even worry about the front grille, but that might be a project for another day. One thing that's kind of irritating is that this whitish cream color is supposed to extend underneath the headlight. Obviously that grille shell got repainted at some point, but I'm not too worried about it. There's a couple of dents here and there, but I'm just going to run this thing. I'm going to use it. It's getting late in the year, and I've got some bush hogging to do with this thing, and I really got to have this tractor back in action. So I adjusted the grill a little bit, so now it's at least tight. It's not going to be vibrating around, and I can easily remove this. So whenever I can clean this radiator out. So that fits nice now. I shouldn't have any issues with that. So, it looks nice. Maybe someday later I'll come back and I'll repaint this, get new decals, do it all up nice. But for now, it is what it is. And also I've got this low swept exhaust. I'm going to try to build some sort of heat shield or brush guard for that so I don't tear that all up whenever I'm running over alders and saplings and stuff. Supposedly the story goes that this used to have a vertical exhaust, obviously with a hole in the hood. I guess the exhaust manifold rotted out and he replaced it with this one. This is what the dealership had at the time. So he liked the lower exhaust better. So I'm kind of torn. I guess I'm going to leave it the way it is for now because it's there, but I would like to see a nice exhaust stack. So we'll see. Maybe future plans. A funny story with this exhaust, too, to note. The fellow I bought it from actually caught a hayfield on fire whenever he was using this tractor. He had all the windrows piled up and he was running the baler over, and this area right here got full of hay. Obviously you got your windrow piling up underneath the tractor, and he went to stop to discharge the bale that was in the round baler, and I guess the tractor exhaust was just too hot with that dry hay and it just took off. The fire department had to come out to the guy's field and everything, and it was quite a spectacle. I remember hearing in the story from some of the neighbors that butted up against his property. So I thought that was quite funny. So maybe that'll get changed out someday, but I'm not going to be doing haying with this tractor, just mowing fields and whatnot. So I don't think I'll have that issue.